How to remove friends from a Rave application. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on this video, we will learn how we can remove friends from a Rave application. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, open up a Rave application on your device and make sure that you're logged in into your account. So once you land on this home page or this page, navigate to top left corner and tap on the settings icon. So once you're under your settings page, tap on your profile name or go to your profile. Once you're on your profile here, scroll down a bit and tap on the friends option. If you have friends on a Rave and if you want to remove them, so once you're under the friends tab, there you will see all of your friend list. After that, locate the friend that you wish to remove. Then tap on the cross icon next to their name. After that, confirm the removal when prompted. Then this process will remove your selected friend from your friend list. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.